Oh man, what? Check him out. Y'all check him out. Y'all check him out, boy. Look at my man right here in the truck. Look. And is that a Tundra? A Tacoma? What is that? Uh oh, he's gonna hit the other truck. He's gonna hit the other truck. Oh, he's gonna hit it. Oh, no. Oh my gosh. He almost hit that other truck, bro. Oh my God. Look at it. Y'all watch this guy. I had to give the old friendly whistle. Look. Oh my. What? He is way off. Look. Oh my gosh, kids. Look at these cars. All these cars over here are wondering what. All these cars over here waiting, they're like, what in the world is going? This guy's going. He's like, get me up out of here. Look, that thing's on there crooked, boys. I mean, that thing's on there crooked. Look. Somebody just yelled stop. I don't know who they're talking to. Somebody just yelled stop. He's got it this time. He's got it. He's got it. Keep going. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. No. Other way. Ah, he almost had it. Don't pull all the way. Oh my gosh, bro. He keeps pulling all the way up. What is going on? Oh my gosh. Hey, look at this dude in the green truck on the left. No, look. Oh, this guy's gonna cut him off. This guy. Oh, this guy's gonna cut him off. I had to tell somebody to look at it. Look, the Chevy was gonna cut him off. Come on, dude. Somebody's got to help him out. Alright, meanwhile, coming over here on lane 89. Are they going to nail it? Oh, this dude's had enough. He just said forget about it. Look. Look, he got out of the truck. He was looking at something. The lady cap's over here on 9. Uh-oh. The place is going nuts right now. They got it. All right, we're getting another attempt right here on 1. This guy's my hero. Uh-oh. Somebody's backing up with the e-brake on. This guy's gonna tell him how to do it. Look, this guy's telling him how to do it. He should let him drive. Look, he's gonna let this guy drive. He's letting somebody else drive. Y'all don't roast him too hard now. He's a good sport. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. They got it for him first attempt. Sometimes it just takes a helping hand. That was freaking epic. Oh, that's got to be one of the best backup jobs we ever seen here, boys. That has got to be one. And look, we got another one happening right here.